Step by step, how to do the kettlebell snatch. 1. Place a kettlebell between your feet. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Hinge at the hips and grip the kettlebell with one hand. Keep your chest tall, shoulders back, and core engaged. 2. Hike and swing. Hike the kettlebell back between your legs like a football pass. Drive your hips forward, explosively to swing it upward, similar to a kettlebell swing. 3. High pull phase. As the kettlebell rises, pull it close to your body, elbow high and out. Keep the bell traveling upward, not outward. 4. Punch through. At the top, quickly rotate your wrist and punch your hand through so the kettlebell flips softly onto the back of your wrist. End with your arm locked out overhead. Bicep close to ear and kettlebell resting comfortably. 5. Lockout. Pause briefly at the top, standing tall with glutes and core tight. 6. Lowering to reset. Bring the kettlebell down by flipping your wrist forward, guiding it back down in a controlled arc. Hike it back between your legs and repeat. Muscles worked. Glutes and hamstrings. Hip drive power. Quads, support during drive. Core, abs and obliques. Stabilization. Shoulders, deltoids, overhead lockout. Back, lats, traps, erectors, pulling and control. Forearms and grip, holding the kettlebell. Use a hip hinge, not a squat for power. Keep the kettlebell close to your body. Don't swing it far out. Avoid banging your wrist. Think, punch through the handle at the top. Start with a lighter kettlebell until you master the motion. Breathe out explosively during the hip drive. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.